rock climber?
Little Miss Rock Climber.
Is that
Climb up to the sky, huh? Climb right up to the sky. There she goes. You're not even walking yet.
How are
Already
you?
scaling the chair. Wow,
Just
look
like
at
your
you two.
brother.
Look at you two. Who has poop?
I think Lena might have done it.
Huh. Wow, Lita, you got stinky poops. Yeah, Angela, I think that Lita is saying, I'd like some space, please. You think that's what she's saying too? No? You don't think that's what she's saying? Huh? Oh, yeah.
Be careful, Angela.
Oh, honey, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, that must have hurt, huh?
The goofy goofy. The goofy goofy. Hey, what are you doing, the goofy goofy? What are you doing? Scaling the wall.
What are you doing?
Like prison break. Hi. Look at her. What's she doing? Hi. Say hi. You see her? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
No.
Where are you going?
No, we're not going to do that, Lita. Nope.